see what this one is all about. And these are all new releases, by the way. This one's called the Flank. It is a tough, nice collaboration. Black Stonewashed D2 shred carbon fiber. So that sounds like a sweet combo right there. And it is going to be, drum roll please, a fixed blade. All right, we got a wiping cloth, good old silica gel paperwork, and here is the knife. Oh man, that's looking pretty good there. Let's make some room, give this thing a spotlighted deserts. We'll come back to the sheath here in just a moment. But here we go. All right, it's a sealed in there. Are we going to have to use the Fenrir to do the honors? All right, I think so. There we go. All right, the Flank. A little bit of a history lesson, right? In case you don't know who Tough Nice is, guys. His name is Jeff Blauvelt, and he was the one that designed the very iconic Vosteed Psyop. And there's so many different variants for this knife. So now that we know who Tough Nice is, hopefully you've seen some of his designs here and there. This is now his latest collaboration here with Kansept Knives. And there it is, the Tough Nice logo on this side called the Flank. Remove the tip here, and I gotta tell you, man, right off the bat I can see his design DNA. There's some designers out there that I can usually tell pretty easily. For example, Justin Lundquist, right? I'm able to see his designs, Jonathan Stiles, and a few other guys. Like, they have some sort of design DNA, and this drop point blade right here definitely screams Tough Nice 1000%. So we have a D2 blade, and it's blacked out for corrosion resistance. That's good to see. Drop point blade with a flat grind. Nice little belly right there for sure. Good for EDC use, right? Tabletop cutting, right? Slicing and dicing. And yes, we can see the full tank construction going all the way around. One whole piece of D2 steel going all the way through. Big old hole here for your lanyard. And we have gold accented hardware. I want to say T8 hardware to be exact, on this beautiful shredded carbon fiber handles. Right? Check out the handle scales here. They look so good. The camera's not even doing it justice. They did not have to go this hard for this carbon fiber, right, on D2 combination right here, but they absolutely did. And it just looks really good, guys. You guys, let me know in the comments if you like this combo. Let me know, right? Kind of sort of blacked out, murdered out with just a hint of gold right there on the hardware. Now, yeah, the ergos is where this thing is going to excel really good. It's definitely in the sort of medium to large category. I'm able to get a full 4-finger grip. No jimping on the blade though, right? That's something that, you know, again, nitpicking a little bit, I would have wanted some jimping here on the blade. If I had to nitpick at something, that would be about the only thing there. But yeah, the ergos just feel as hand melting as you can possibly get. Obviously, it's a fixed blade. There is no pocket clip on site. And yeah, it just absolutely melts in the hand. It feels so good. This extra curvature right here and this little peak, that helps your index finger lock in. All other fingers follow suit. And that just feels right at home right there, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, loving the ergos, loving the design. We got the sheath right here. Let's test that out. Okay. Gotta be there we go. A nice final click. No rattle. That's good. Nice little good tension there on the exit. All right, again, goes in. Bam, locks in. No rattle of any kind. Nice and good tension on the way out. And we do have this style clip here on this sheath. We have this one, which you can actually turn around. So it's set up right now for vertical carry, and you can make a scout carry. Just gotta loosen up this Phillips head right here, turn it 45, or is that 90 degrees? If I can get my angles right, Miguel, get a protractor out here. From here to here, that's 90 degrees. So turn it 90 degrees and it becomes a scout carry, aka horizontal carry, just like that. So you got options with this style of clip. You don't even have to mess around with this. You could move it maybe a little bit further forward or further back if you want to. It looks like that's about the same distance between those holes there. But yeah, other than that, your adjustment will be right up here. So like that style of sheath. I've seen it in a few other knives as well. I've carried it, right? Has a good experience. And yeah, I mean, overall, a pretty sweet fixed blade. It's definitely my cup of tea. Some of my favorite fixed blades here are indeed drop point blades. I'll show you a few. These are two of my all-time favorites. There is this Smolt from Kizer. It's great for EDC, good size. Here is the Vosteed Mink, right? You can sort of see this guy's somewhere in the vicinity, right, of the Mink. Not much longer or shorter, definitely in that ballpark. And if you're looking for a larger fixed blade, right, check out the Tenable Luccio. That one is a bolt design. It's a little bit of a longer cutting path, longer overall fixed blade. Or check out the Kizer Camp 180. This thing is an absolute pocket machete right here. Right, check that out. So just a little bit of everything from all sort of sizes and whatnot, so you can more or less see, compare, get a feel for it. But when it comes to EDC, right, obviously that's a pretty good size for EDC. right? Putting it here next to the Fenrir, you can see it's a little bit shorter than the overall length of the Fenrir, right? When you compare the two. Mandatory nail test. Right, feels pretty good. Again, D2 steel on this one. Okay. Pretty spicy out of the box right there. Very toothy edge. Check that out. Bam, boom, bada boom. Yeah, needless to say, guys, it cuts paper. Breaking news. Same dual wall piece of cardboard, right, as before. Cutting diagonally. Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah, piece of cake. That is not, I think that's a massive understatement, to be honest. So there you have it, guys. The knife cuts, right? You all rate these in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10. 10 being the sharpest. You all let me know. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.